In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Claude AI desktop app for Mac in just a few minutes. Whether you're a new user or just want a more integrated experience, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser. In the address or search bar, type Claude and press enter. From the search results or your browser history, look for the official Claude website link. Here, we'll click on the Sign In Claude.ai link to navigate directly to their homepage. Once the Claude homepage loads, you'll see options to sign in or sign up. Before we do that, look for the Download Desktop App button, which is usually located below the main login options. This will allow us to download the dedicated application for macOS, providing a more seamless experience than using the browser. Now, go ahead and click on the Download Desktop App button. A Save As dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose a location to save the installer file. By default, it's often set to the Downloads folder, but here we're saving it to the desktop for easy access. The file name will be claude.dmg. Click the Save button to begin the download. Next, you can monitor the download's progress. In Google Chrome, you can click the Downloads icon in the top right corner of the toolbar. This opens a pop-up showing the status of your current and recent downloads. You can see the claude.dmg file downloading, with information on how much has been downloaded and the estimated time remaining. A.dmg file, or disk image, is a common file format used on macOS for distributing software. Once the download is complete, this is the file we will use to install the application on our system. Once the download is complete, navigate to the location where you saved the file. In this case, we saved it to the desktop, so we'll open a Finder window and go there. Locate the claude.dmg file. Now double-click the file to open the disk image and mount it, which will reveal the application installer. After opening the disk image, a new window will appear. This is the standard Mac installation interface. You'll see the Claude application icon on the left and a shortcut to your applications folder on the right. To install the app, simply click and hold the Claude icon and drag it directly onto the applications folder icon. When you release the mouse button, the system will begin copying the app to your applications folder. The next step is to launch the newly installed application. Open Launchpad from your dock, which shows all your installed apps. Find the Claude icon and click it once to open it. Because this is an application downloaded from the internet, your Mac's security system will display a prompt asking for confirmation. This is a normal safety feature. Click the Open button to proceed. The Claude application will now launch for the first time. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen for Claude for Mac. This screen confirms that the application is installed correctly and is ready for you to get started. From here, you can begin the setup process to log in to your account and start using Claude directly from your desktop. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Claude AI desktop app on your Mac. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.